Hello my people, abeg make we continue. So this one now, if you say 500 divided by 6, for an example now, you go say 3 point you say I give you your result in fraction, you go put decimal there. If you say 500 divided by 100 sef, e go still give you e go still give you decimal. So 5.0, e go still give you your answer, your result in fractions. So we use this one to get accurate answer actually. So when you get to deep learning class, you understand why it is important. So the next, don't forget that we've treated how many operators now? We've treated exponent, we've treated modulus. Another name for modulus is remainder. We've treated integer division. Another name for integer division is called flawed quotient. So, and we've also treated division. So the next thing we want to treat now is multiplication. Just as saying 10 multiplied by 3, 30. You say 2 times 5, you say 10. If you say 14 times 6, you say 84. So now this is multiplication, and that is that's an operator called multiplication, and that's it in operation. So now another one is subtraction. Just say 5 minus 2, 10 minus 5. The last one is addition. So say 2 plus 2, say 5 plus 5, say 2 plus 6. So my people, that is our arithmetic operators in Python programming language. Thank you.